two laser physicists doing their second favorite thing. We're in Jena, the city of optics.
You can see the stadium.
Yes, I can see the stadium and the construction site.
Can you see even further? Can you see the ridge of the Thuringian forest?
You see that far?
Yeah, they're in the haze.
I have trouble seeing that.
We have something for you.
Yes, I know.
An innovative procedure for better vision.
My name is Bischoff. I started here in the development of the VisuMax system and the SMILE method.
I am Gregor Stobrawa. I develop laser-based vision correction procedures at Carl Zeiss Meditec AG.
When we showed it to the surgeon for the first time, explaining what we were planning to do, he asked us, "Do you seriously believe that this is going to work?"
The method is called SMILE.
You use a femto-second laser to cut corneal tissues so precisely that you don't need the procedure with an excimer laser at all. You basically remove the tissue and the refractive correction is perfect. At first, the idea was absolutely crazy. I believe that some people had this idea, but no one was able to build a machine that could do it.
The innovative procedure developed by Zeiss has already been used to correct more than 10 million eyes in more than 60 countries. The method can be used for near and far-sightedness and slight astigmatism.
We are actually able to make a precise incision in the inner layers of the cornea without damaging the anterior or posterior side of the cornea.
Unlike the conventional LASIK method, the surgery does not require a large corneal flap. The eye heals faster and the cornea remains more stable.
In laser mode, this laser arm moves over the patient.
Microsurgery with ultra-short pulse lasers. The laser optics are docked to the eye using a patient interface. The patient fixates the green blinking light.
The surgeon now uses a joystick to approach the eye of the patient until it makes contact. The surgeon then activates the vacuum system of the device with the joystick, thereby applying suction to the eye.
The surgeon initiates the process by pressing a foot pedal. 2 million laser pulses per second cut out a thin disc inside the cornea. The system automatically disengages after 10 seconds. The eye surgeon now manually extracts the lenticule through a minuscule incision, also made by the laser through the corneal surface.
The SMILE method has benefits for many patients.
The laser, a tool that uses light to help you see better. A fascinating tool for the two of them. They've been working together for 25 years.
I started working with Mark as a diploma candidate at the university and quickly learned a lot from him about laser physics and programming. We were on the same wavelength from the start.
Gregor arrived and I asked him to wear laboratory shoes, and so he bought a pair of lab shoes with him.
I was stingy as a student, so I looked through my dad's shoes and found a pair of ancient shoes from the 70s. I wore those. They even had leather fringe. He was seriously impressed.
White shoes with a green fringe, I can still remember those. That takes some doing.
At heart, we are kids who love to play with technology.
It's all about having fun at work.
Absolutely.
250,000 working hours went into the complex system, and an endless series of test and validation procedures in cooperation with ophthalmologists. The pivotal element, a laser as a scalpel.
The laser beam that we need has to be able to make a cut in the patient's cornea, and for that you must achieve photodisruption. And for that, in turn, you need extremely high laser power but minimal energy so that nothing around the cornea gets damaged. Ultra-short pulse lasers do this very well. There is no other way. And what we specifically need is a femtosecond laser.
CPA technology ensures that the ultra-short laser pulses reach enough power. Gerard Moreau and Donna Strickland were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2018 for this technology. VisuMax's success was possible thanks to a highly specialized team.
The Horus project team, which a while ago developed the very first VisuMax, as well as the SMILE method, won the Leibinger Innovation Award. None of those experts would have been able to do it alone. It was really a team effort achieved by different specializations.
Patient safety is always the top priority.
When you decided to go into laser vision correction surgery and see the happy faces of the people coming out of the operating room, it makes your day. Okay, I did everything right. It's a very emotional moment.
I still remember the first surgery that we observed. That was very, very exciting. The doctor even checked our heart rate afterwards because he probably saw the state we were in. Our heart rates were the highest in the whole room.
Their success story has probably only begun. A gigantic construction site in the middle of Jena. Zeiss's new facility for more than 2,000 employees.
A lot of space for innovations.
The high-tech site will also become a new home for the development and production of Carl Zeiss Meditec AG.
The new home of the VisuMax 800 in its next generation.
That hasn't been developed yet.
It will be exciting to find out what the great minds in Jena will come up with next.